Nigerian dancer and former Malian record signee, Lee Smart, has raised an alarm over alleged threats to his life and cries for safety as he names music stars Naira Marley and Zinoleesky as the individual to be held responsible if harm befalls him. The ex-Malian dancer took to his social media page to allege that the Malian record boss, Naira Marley, and Zinoleesky had reportedly abducted him and beat him up. In a series of posts shared on his social media platforms, Lee Smart revealed disturbing photos and videos, claiming his life was in danger. He stated explicitly, "If anything happens to me, missing or killed, just know it is both Naira Marley and Zino." The dancer further vowed to expose secrets involving the two artists. In an Insta story post, he linked the threats to similar experiences faced by late rapper Mohbad, who alleged was bullied before his death. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more real updates on entertainment and lifestyle.